We've seen that H2O GPT excels at handling generic tasks and answering general questions. However, there are cases where we need specific answers that go beyond the AI pre-existing knowledge. For example, if the algorithm hasn't been trained on certain data, it may not provide accurate or concrete answers, or worse, it could hallucinate information. To address this, we can create our own collection of documents and upload them to H2O GPT-E. This allows the AI to learn from our specific data and provide more tailored, accurate responses. Next, we'll focus on building this collection of documents to enable Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG. H2O GPT-E supports a wide range of file types, not just PDFs or Word documents, but also multimedia files like audio and images. This flexibility ensures you can leverage the AI effectively for even the most specific use cases. In this example, we will create a new collection and upload a file called drug_use_desistance.pdf. To access the PDF file drug_use_desistance.pdf, follow these steps. Type the name of the file, drug_use_desistance.pdf, into your Google search bar and press Enter. The first link in the search results should direct you to the ResearchGate. Click on that link. On the ResearchGate page, click the Download Full PDF button. You don't need to sign up. Clicking the button will automatically download the PDF to your computer. You'll then have full access to the document. An alternative method to access the document is by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen. This QR code has been provided for your convenience, offering a quick and easy way to access the lengthy hyperlink associated with this research paper. Feel free to use whichever method works best for you, and we trust you'll find it straightforward to access the resource. Now, let's get back on the H2O GPT-E.genai.h2o.ai page and click on the Collections tab. The Collections page is a central hub where you can organize and manage groups of related documents. It's designed to make handling and retrieving documents easy and efficient for RAG purposes. Here is how it works. Collections Overview. This page lists all collections, which can be private, shared with specific users, or made public. Right now, there are no collections displayed, but once you create them, they'll appear here. Organizing documents. You can create a new collection by clicking the New Collection button in the top right corner. A collection can include a variety of document types, making it easier to categorize and access related files in one place. Filter and search. Use the search bar to filter through collections quickly, ensuring you can find what you need without hassle. Whether you're organizing research materials, project documents, or training resources, this page provides an intuitive way to group and access your files. When you click Plus New Collection, you're taken to the Setup page where you can name your collection, upload documents, and configure key settings like the embedding model and chunk size. For more details, the Configuration Settings section allows you to customize how the AI processes your documents, including options for the embedding model, chunk size, overlap, between chunks, and enabling guardrails for handling sensitive information. We will stick with the default values, but please be aware that you can also customize them based on your needs before creating the collection. In the General section, under the collection name field, rename the collection to Drug Use Desistance. Finally, click the plus Create button in the top right corner to begin the document ingestion process. After successfully creating the collection, you are redirected to the Collections page for the Drug Use Desistance collection. Here, You can view, explore, and visualize the topics within your collection. Since the collection was just created, there are no topics yet. By default, the collection is private. However, in a professional environment, you can share it by making it public or sharing it with specific users. To do this, use the Share Collection button located in the top right corner next to the Open Settings and Delete Collection buttons. On this page, you'll find the All Chats section where you can start your first chat based on the collection. You can also upload your document or add multiple documents to the collection and filter them using the search bar. To add a document, go to the Document Upload section and drag and drop your file, use desistance.pdf, or browse to upload it. During the upload process, the document is chunked, transformed into embeddings, and indexed in a vector database. Once the document is successfully indexed, you will see it appear on the bottom of the page within the collection.